Hi everybody, we're rolling out the phone verification API system, and I just want to go ahead and give you a quick tutorial on it. I'm going to get the software running. I'm going to run some safe settings, and then I'm going to just speed it up a smidge. I'm going to, yeah, let's do something a little bit different. Let's see what we get here. Auto service repair looks good to me. Clear list, add it in. Okay, so while this is running, we're going to come over here to the Advanced tab and we're going to look at the new functions that I've added in here. We're going to come over to phone number verification, and this is the dashboard. This is the new dashboard system. This is going to actually be copied over to every other API section of the software. That includes the scraper section. So, um, not to get too sidetracked. This setup is very simple. If you have any questions, put your mouse over the label or the button, and if you look up here where my mouse is moving, you will see the instructions. Also, as you can see, there's links to print tutorials and video tutorials. The print isn't up yet. The video I'm making right now, by the time you see it, it'll be there. Again, if you have any questions, just put your mouse over it or click on one of the links. If you were an all-in member, you can load a list of authorization keys, or you can manually add in multiple authorization keys. If you are not an all-in member, you can only use one. That's it, just one. And if you try to use more than one, it just won't let you. So these buttons here are for speed. It is in milliseconds, and it's not really important to know anything other than if you want it faster, click 3. If you want it slower, click 1. These controls are also in the column controls, and they are independent of the pause and stop of the software. So all I'm going to do to show you how to use it is access the start button through the menu control. We just click start. And if you want to stop it, you click stop. And that's it. And it's unfortunate there's no mobiles or any other information, but on these ones that it went through, you can see that it's verified and they're landline, so you can't send any of the other good information. Again, though, if you have any questions about what fields are in here, you can just put in a test number and click the test button. Oops, I forgot you have to have an API key here, so just put your API key there in order to use the test button. Click test, and then you can see what the fields are. So this number here is in mobile, so you can send text messages to that one. It's actually on AT&T, and it says it's from Gainesville. I guess everything else is pretty much self-explanatory. Again, just put your mouse over anything that you have a question about. If you this works just like the other functions. If you click on it one time, you can edit it down here. If you double click it, you remove it from the list. All of these functions get saved automatically. So if you change it like that, you don't have to click the apply button. It automatically changes the function. I'm going to change that throughout the software, but this is where I'm rolling it out at. All right, guys, if you have any questions, just let me know.